tayo. Let's go. Fisher scores 41 to 47. Uy! Grabe naman yun. What a hang time. Fisher score 43 to 47. Labas. No. Out of bounds. Si Idol. Time out. Dalawa na lamang po ang hinahabol ng Spartans. Tingnan natin ang adel ng Portals. Binigay sa corner. Walang tawag. Ayan na si Malik. Here comes Malik. Derecho. What a pass. Favor lamang na ang Portals. Sorry, that's Spartans. Take a free shot. Malik enjoying the game. Basket. Nakabawi dito ang Portals. That's a 3 seconds violation. Substitution. 51. Malik. Technical para kay Malik. Ito na shot. Para number 13. Okay, 42. 43, 452 correction. Atanasio, pass to number 7, Reyes. Pass number 29, 4-3, no, rebound by number 6. Pass to Malik. Malik, steal by Atanasio. Atanasio, libre sa 3, back! 55-53. Ayun na, si Malik 4-3. Oh. Time remaining 5 minutes and 16 seconds. 53-55. Damang ang balik ang kalamangan sa portals. Here comes Reyes, setting on the play. Hingi ng pick, binigay kay Atanasio. Atanasio. Uy. It's an offensive foul. Illegal spin daw mo. That pass, here comes Namo, he missed the shot. Kesa Kevin, binigay, steal by Reyes. Here comes Reyes, and there's a foul. See the line of jersey number 7, Reyes. Pipoy. Shot para kay Pipoy, wala. Sa 55. Traveling violation. Four minutes and 10 seconds tayo. Bola rito ng Port Spartans. Number 9, what an extra pass. Traveling violation. Offensive foul. Santino coming in sa Panda. Rebound. De Jesus. Basket para kay De Jesus. Change favor. Balik ang kalamangan sa Spartans. Number 29, top of the key. No. Oy. Malik will recover. Here comes Kevin. Kevin, didiscarte. Pass to Malik. Top of the key. 4-3. Wala. Rebound. Makuha ng Portals. Atanasio. Pass to Reyes. Okay, sa corner. Jump shot. No. Rebound by Caparas. Here comes Caparas. Up and under. Binigay sa corner. Steal ng Portals. Here comes Atanasio. Binigay. Kaya na si Pipoy. Reyes. Fade away shot. Basket para kay Reyes. Pipoy. Tabla ulit tayo sa 57. Santino with a ball. Pass to Kevin. Requesa. Back to Santino. Kevin. Kevin, floater, no, rebound. Makuha ni Reyes. Here comes Pipoy, nagmamadali. Pipoy, derecho, and score! Humingi pa ng tao dito. Si Pipoy Reyes. Balik ang kalamangan sa Portals. 59-57. Here comes Caparas. Binigay kay Kevin. Kevin, pass to Zapata with spin, block from behind by Reyes. Substitution. Time remaining 1 minute and 45 seconds. Jump shot, no. Rebound. Ayun na si number 0. Crossover. Up and under. No. Shoot the line. Jersey number 25. Time remaining 1 minute and 32 seconds. Villarete. Ano ba? No. Villafuerte. Second shot is good para kay Villafuerte. 60-57. Kevin. Spin move, pass to number 88, drop pass, aliw pala yun. Basket count and 1 para kay Jesus, number 24. That is sport personal foul naman para sa kabila. Warning for graduate. No good. $59-60. Baba na lamang sa isang inahabol ng Spartans. Atanasio. Atanasio. Basket yan. Dumidila pa sa Atanasio. Babawi sa 3. No. Rebound. Makuha ng Portals. Ayan na. Oh, steal. Requesa with steal. Oh, good sa foul. By number 0. Time remaining, last 37 seconds. Brady, ayan na. Pass to number 9. Number 9, basket. Balik ulit sa isang lamang ng Portals. Reyes with the ball. Pass to Atanasio. Last 11 seconds. 10, 9, 8. Atanasio, 4-3. Walang tawag ang ating referee doon. Last 3 seconds. Last 3 seconds remaining. 3. Yes, a 3. No! Alright, ended the third quarter, 61-62. At magbabalik ulit tayo para sa ating fourth and last quarter. Basketball tayo. Oy, alley-oop by Jesus. Change favor. Lamang na ang Spartans. Atanasio. Number 9, no. Right, Shoa. Pass to number 7, crossover. Gets the 3. Walang tawag ang ating referee doon. Number 28, 4-3, short. Number 11. Para ball movement. Number 9, 4-3. Wala. Rebound ng Portals. Reyes with the ball. Reyes. Oh, too strong. Gets a foul. Tabla tayo sa 63. 6 deadlock na po tayo. Number 20 on the free throw area. Basket na naman. Bumabalik ang kalamangan sa Portals. Elbow 3, wala. Here comes Reyes, B-boy. Ayun na, B-boy attacking the basket. No. Rebound by Atanasio. Oh, that's a trouble. Oh, sorry, that's the for out the ball. Sorry, ko nabasa ang pilit po, idol. Number 11. Number 11, no. Out that pass. Atanasio. Binigay kay Reyes. Basket para kay Pipoy Reyes. 66-63. And 3-point lead para sa Portals. Here comes Kevin Requesa. At the post, De Jesus, pull-up jumper, no. Rebound ng Portals. Aso Atanasio to Pipoy. Pipoy binigay. Oy, that's a trouble. Remaining time, 6 minutes and 45 seconds. Lola man ng Portals. Kevin Kesa attacking the basket and gets a foul. Number 13, Atanasio. That is first personal foul para Atanasio. Kesa binigay. Number 9, pass to Kesa. Kevin jump shot. No rebound. Number 6, pass to number 9 from the elbow 3. No. Kesa foul. Number 6. Time remaining 6 minutes and 23 seconds para sa ating fourth and last quarter. Malapit na tayo sa dulo. Ayan na. Setting on the screen. Here comes Atanasio. Atanasio, pull up J, no. Rebound by De Jesus. Here comes Stefano. Number 9. Number 9, bigay, pick. Malik, no. Malik shooting for 2. Jersey number 26. First shot para kay Malik, wala. Steal by number 9. Number 9. Ay, pasok pa yun. Number 9. Official score 66-65. 1 point lead para sa Portals. Timeout dito ang Portals. Tignan natin, Adel. Ang Portals dito. Time remaining 5 minutes and 41 seconds. It's over. Hilario basket. kalamangan sa portals. At 3 lamang ng portals. Requesa to Malik, top of the key, no. Rebound by De Jesus. Number 9, no. Nagagawa, rebound by Pipoy, pass to. Ayan na. Atanasio with a layup. Time out dito ang Spartans. Time remaining 5 minutes and 1 second. Tingnan naman natin ng Spartans. Back to the ball game tayo. Official score 68-65. 3-point lead para sa Portals. With the time remaining 5 minutes and 1 second sa ating fourth and last quarter. Ayun na, malapit na tayo sa dulo. Nangangalahati na tayo ng fourth quarter. Caparas for 3. No, rebound by Reyes. Here comes Atanasio. Atanasio waiting for his teammate. Atanasio, ginit na ang bola. Binigay. Show up. Reyes for 3. No, rebound by Malik. Pass to Caparas. Here comes Kevin. Kevin and 1. Basket count. May kasama pang foul para kay Kevin Requesa. Requesa shooting at the line for a 3-point lay. And out to tie the game. Oh. Official score natin, 68 na po. 68-70. Nasa foul dito si Andre Malig. Remaining time 4 minutes and 8 seconds. Shooting the line, jersey number 0, Showa. Para kay Chowa. Last 4 minutes tayo. Kevin. Pass to Caparas. Binigay sa corner. Number 9. Number 9 attacking the basket. Basket is good. Ayun na. Babas na dalawang lamang. 72. Uy! Steal by Requesa. Requesa, pinasa kay Malik, 2 against 2, pass to Requesa. Requesa and score! Tabla tayo with a 7 deadlock. Ayun na. Number 28, running shot, no! Rebound by De Jesus. Here comes number 9, pass to Malik. Malik fake, using the board, wala. Rebound by number 9, binigay kay Requesa. Kevin, binigay kay Malik. Malik, give it! Wow! Lamang na. Ulit ang Spartan. 72, 74 in favor of the Spartans. Tingnan natin ang huddle ng Portals. Time remaining 3 minutes and 13 seconds. Ayan, shoutout po sa mga nanonood nating live and sa mga nag-share. Maraming pong salamat. Nandito na tayo. Malapit-lapit na tayo sa dulo. Sino kaya ang magkakampiyon naman para sa Juniors Division? Malalaman po natin yan. Maya lamang po. Ayan na. Number 28, guy. Atanasio, 4-3. No. Rebound by Malik. Malik ng pamadali. Binigay kay Kevin. Kevin, pull up jumper. Basket para kay Kevin. Riqueza. Ayan na. Babawi sa tres. Bang! At may sagot. Ang Portals doon. Baba sa isa. Ang lamang ng Spartans. 76-75. Here comes Kevin. Kevin binigay kay Caparas. Caparas, backdoor pass to number 9 for Evo 3. No! Rebound ng Portals. Here comes Atanasio. May tanga ng bola. Atanasio, nabitawan. And there's up out of bounds. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 21 seconds. Ayun na. Bola rito ng Portals. Sa dulo. So, number 0. Block down pass. Uy, wala. Rebound by Malig. Ayan na. Riqueza. May tanga ng bola. Here comes Kevin. Corner pick, and that's a 3 seconds violation. Remaining time 1 minute and 54 seconds. Ayan na, si number 28 setting on the screen. Reyes, oh, nabitawan. Reyes tumira. No, rebound by Jesus. Here comes Malik, nagmamadali. Malik attacking the basket, what an extra pass. Oy! Basket para number 9. Ayun na, si number 9 nagmamadali. Number 9. Dire-diretso, binigay. P-boy 4-3, bang! P-boy Reyes 4-3. Tabla tayo sa 78. Malik, kailangan ng bola. Malik, top of the key for 3. No! Rebound by Reyes. Ayun na, si Reyes. Nagmamadali. Number 29 and gets a foul. Time remaining 1 minute and 3 seconds. There's a foul. Penalty. Spartans under penalty situation. All 78 tayo. 1 minute and 3 seconds. Patient timeout muna tayo. Crucial free throw para kay jersey number 28, Reyes. Ayan na. Meron na lang tayong natitirang 1 minuto at 3 segundo. Kapit lang. Ang kakapit. Reyes shooting for 2. For a crucial free throw. Oh! Isa lang daw para sabi. Rep. Sorry, thank you. Reyes. Basket, lamang ang Portals ng isa. Ayan na, si Kevin. Requesa with the ball. Requesa binigay. Here comes Cabaras, nabitawan. Ayan na, steal. Mare-recover ni number 9. Number 9, pull-up jumper. Short. Rebound by Reyes. Steal by number 9. Pinasa kay Malik. Malik with the hang time. No! Rebound ng Portas. Ayan na, walang tawag ang ating referee. And that's a jump ball. Bola rito, mapupunta sa Spartans. Tama ba? Last 37 seconds remaining sa ating laban. 79-78. 1-point lead para sa Portas. Nalayo ng bantayan niya, idol ah. Okay, official muna tayo. Medic. Okay, let's go. Last 37.8 seconds remaining. Lamang ng isa ang Portals. Oh, steal by number 9. And a backcourt violation. Ang tawag ng ating official. Ang hadal natin official kung anong kanilang final decision. Backcourt violation. Referee decision tayo. Last 35.8 seconds remaining. Bola rito ng Portals. Tingnan natin kung sino ang tatanggap ng bola. Mahaba-haba pa to. Ayan na. Reyes with the ball. Binigay. Pass to number 9. Pass to Reyes. Or sorry, that's Ochoa. Reyes for 3. Oh, in and out. Here comes Kevin. And Kevin gets the foul. Namulikat si Atanasio. last game. Alright, time out dito. Wala. Napulikat si Idol Atanasio at nangkas sa kanyang foul doon. Wala pang penalty ang Portals. Bola rito ng Spartans. Last 18 seconds remaining. Bola rito ng Spartans. Tingnan natin kung anong gagawin. Depensa at opensa na magkabilang panig. Malalaman natin yan. Let's go! Shoutout kay SK Kagawa dito. To check this thing. Ayan na, binigay. Kevin with the ball. Kevin, pass to number 9. Tumira sa 3. Short. Rebound by Malik. Walang tawag. Malik again. Malik and gets a foul. Oh, correction. That is Caparas. Natin ang hadal. Caparas. Remaining time, last 8.9 seconds remaining. Penalty tayo. Both teams under penalty situation. Caparas shooting for 2 for a crucial free throw. Ayan na si Caparas. Masusubukan dito sa free throw area. First shot. Oh! Wala. Second shot para kay Caparas. To tie the game, 79-78. Ayan na. Goal! Tabla tayo. Meron pa tayong natitirang 8 segundo. Ayan na. Makititira kaya. B-Boy binigay. 4-3! Oh my goodness! What an epic game! Hey! Pasok ba? Pasok na. Counted? Yeah, hintayin natin ang magiging final decision ng ating mga official. Wow, wow. Grabe. Pang championship talaga ang laban natin. Meron pa bang natitira? Meron pa? Meron pa daw po? 2 segundo? Na lamang ang natitira. Time out dito. Time out daw, time out. Hindi pa tapos ang laban. May natitira pang 2 segundo. Tingnan natin, nakadal dito ng Spartans kung ano ang kanilang magiging last shot dito. Last 2 seconds remaining. Tignan natin. Official time po tayo, ha? Official time po yung magiging decision natin at sa referee decision. Alright. Last point, 3 seconds. Binigay, oy! Tignan natin na lang po ang sounds na lang po na point 2. Ayan na, Malik for 3! Oh! And the champion goes to the Portals. What a nice game from both team. Grabe. Alright, our final score, 82-79. What an epic comeback ng Portals doon. And a nice game para sa Spartans. Grabe. Ang laboy. What a good game from both team. Alright. And that's a wrap. Magkita-kita po tayo para sa ating awarding ceremony. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood at ang nag-champion ng Portals. Ayan na. And a nice game syempre sa ating Spartans na lumaban hanggang dulo. Ayan, congratulations pa rin and nice game para sa Spartans. Alright, awarding ceremony tayo sa ating pagbabalik. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.